Hi guys, welcome back. This is episode 3. I'm just finishing up on the steering. I think I got the cutouts all right. I took the control arms off, so I have this bolt with a bunch of washers on it to mimic the control arm there. So I got the right length bolts for the steering rack, so I'm gonna bolt that up and make sure everything all fits. So then I could weld in right here and make that all nice. But I want to make sure there's clearance there before I go fill that all in. So let me get to that. All right, I did manage to fix it. You can see it's not hitting right there, which is where the control arm would mount. And then also right here, it's clear. I'm gonna probably cut out a little bit more right here just for some safety room. But both sides are clear. Let's see over there. So that means that's all set. I'm just gonna weld in this piece right here, and then I gotta repaint everything, and then steering will be done. I'll be able to put the new front suspension on. So before I go welding anything in, you can see the inside sticks down a little bit. So I have that marked out. So I'm gonna cut that out to make it nice and flush, I guess. So then I could weld the new piece in, because obviously I can't put in a piece like that. It just wouldn't really work. All right, I got everything cut out over there. I have this piece of tubing. I'm gonna cut this little section out so I can weld it up in there and fill that hole in just so it's more structural, since I cut most of it out. All right, so I got the piece all cut out. It's not perfect because it's kind of, can't really tell, but it's kind of warped a little bit. But I can't really hit it back. I was trying, but the metal's so thick, it wasn't bending back. So I'm not able to get it perfect, but it'll definitely serve the purpose I need it to, so it works. Alright, I got the piece tacked up in, but it was not cooperating because there's nothing to hold on to, so I couldn't really put a magnet up there or clamp it. So every time I went to weld, it would just push the piece up in. But I finally got it, but I'm gonna have to cut out this excess right here, a little bit in this corner right here to get it nice and flush or somewhat flush. But it's the best I could get it just on how, like I said earlier, the piece was kind of warped. So I'm just gonna cut this out and then get all the corners tacked and start filling it in a little more. Alright, I finally got it somewhat flush. It's hard to get it perfect with the tight angles. I can't really fit the grinder in there. But I got them all fixed down. So now I'm just gonna weld it up or weld most of it up and then get started on the other side. So I'm not the best welder, but got that all welded up. I'm gonna sand it down a little bit just so it's a little smoother, and then I gotta get started on the other side. But at least it's filled in now, so. All right, just finish this side. Now I got the suspension over there. I'm getting ready to put all the new front suspension on, so then I can hook all the steering up and the whole front will be done. All right, not the best turn of events, but as you can see, that is definitely not lining up right there. The mounting point on the control arms are too far back, so that's not lining up. And I don't want to, even if I force it back this way, then the shock's straight up and down, and you don't want that. And even if I could get it in, the holes were still at an angle, so I won't be able to get the bolt through. So that's what I get for just buying eBay control arms, I guess. So I have to do some research, figure out a good fit for this, so I can get the front suspension all finished up, and might have to put the old suspension on it to at least get it driving until I figure this out. But well, at least this is all done on both sides. You can see over there. So I just gotta figure this out, figure out what control arms will work with it, and then get this all finished up. Thanks for watching though. Didn't get to finish up what I wanted to, but it's the reality of building an old car. Not everything fits perfect. So just have to deal with it. So, but don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Follow the Instagram pages, always linked down in the description, and I'll be posting again soon. Thanks.